In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Facebook account to your Fresha profile. This is a handy way to streamline your online interactions and make your professional life a lot easier. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to start by going to your Fresha dashboard. You can access this by logging into your Fresha account through your web browser. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look in the top right corner of your screen. Here, you should see a picture or the initials associated with your account. Clicking on this will provide you with a drop-down menu for further options. From this menu, you need to select Personal Settings, DMDE. Clicking this will take you to a new page dedicated to the personal aspects of your account, where you can manage different settings tailored to your preferences. Now, once you're in the Personal Settings, you'll see an option labeled Login and Security. Go ahead and click on that. This section is crucial because it houses all the information regarding how you access your account securely and any connected services. As you scroll through the login and security options, keep an eye out for a section or tab where Facebook is mentioned. Here you'll find a button that says Connect. This is the pivotal step for linking your Fresha profile to your Facebook account. When you're ready, go ahead and click on the Connect button. Doing this will redirect you to a Facebook login page. It's key to ensure that your correct Facebook account details are on hand, as you'll be required to log in with them at this point. If you aren't already logged into Facebook on your browser, you will be prompted to enter your Facebook username and password. Once you've successfully logged in with your Facebook credentials, you'll see a confirmation that your Fresha account is now connected to your Facebook profile. This connectivity means you can look forward to effortlessly sharing updates, syncing events, or even simplifying verification processes between the two platforms. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully linked your Fresha account with Facebook. This connection can greatly enhance the way you manage your professional interactions and streamline your social and scheduling efforts. Remember, if at any point you want to disconnect the two accounts, you can revisit the same settings and do so with ease. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. We hope it helped you make the most out of your Fresha and Facebook integration. If you found this guide useful, don't hesitate to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks in the future. Have a wonderful day.